Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial video, we're going to break down for you how you can remove categories from your Gmail inbox, like for example, the promotions category or the social tab here. And I would like to have all of your emails simply listed in one normal general inbox without any of these categories. So let us show you how to do that. It is actually no rocket science, guys. What you want to do is head over to your Gmail inbox, of course, and access your quick settings by clicking on that gear icon here in the top right. And you can do that from these quick settings here so that you don't have to access your general inbox settings. So what you want to do is scroll down a bit to get to this feature here, inbox type. And below you will see the default inbox type selected probably. So to customize it, click on customize below. That is going to open up that customization window here. So here you may enable or disable all of these aforementioned email or inbox categories like promotions or social by simply unselecting the checkbox next to it. And after that, simply confirm by clicking on save here. And that is going to remove all of these categories from your Gmail inbox. And that's basically it, guys. That's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.